These are the sizes of the rectangles and squares that you will be cutting to get lots of different shapes and sizes that will fit onto your final paper. Okay, you will also get 3 different colors of construction paper. Using a ruler, you are going to use it to measure out the 2 rectangles that you have chosen. You can choose any 2 dimensions from the 6 total different dimensions of rectangles for your first color of paper. Once you have used 2 of the dimensions, you will not use them again for your 2 other colors. Keep them different. After you're done cutting out your 2 rectangles, return any scraps so that other people can use those colors. Then we're going to draw our botanical shapes. You want to make sure that these are in the portrait orientation, and you're always starting from the very center of your rectangle. Okay, even if you're doing just a plain regular leaf, your stem needs to come right out of the center of your rectangle. And try and keep it no larger than the width of your pinky. These need to be cut out very carefully because we need both pieces when you're all done. So watch carefully as I cut. Notice that I make really long, slow cuts, and I don't move my scissors unless I need to adjust to make sure I'm getting above or below the paper so I don't rip it. I am moving my paper with my left non-dominant hand to make sure that my cuts are as neat as possible. This is extremely important for this project, and I will be grading you heavily on this part. Okay, so take your time, cut it out neatly. If you are having trouble cutting out kind of some elaborate shapes, if that's what you wanted to try, then go for a simpler shape. Okay, I would rather you have a simple shape that is cut out nicely than something really complicated that isn't cut out as nicely. When you are through cutting out your organic shapes from these 2 rectangles in one color, you will do 2 rectangles for the other 2 colors as well. So here you can see that I have all of my rectangles and all of the little shapes all intact. None of them are ripped. Some of them did kind of get some little bent edges that I had to kind of push down and try and get as straight as possible. We will be gluing these down eventually, but you gotta keep these safe at this point, okay? Also, you want to make sure that you are using the side with no pencil on it. We do not want to see that pencil.